In this video, I am going to show you how to do affiliate marketing for beginners and make money online. In a moment, I'm also going to show you how you can learn to do this for free. Affiliate marketing is when you promote or sell products that is not your own and you earn a commission from the sale. It is like a property agent. He does not own the house he is selling, but after his sale, he earns a commission. You have to decide what you want to sell. Choose a niche that you are passionate about if you can. You can choose any niche and learn to become an expert in it, but it is so much easier if it is something you know and like. Let's say for the sake of this video you have chosen arts and crafts as a niche. Now this is a very wide niche and you have to choose a topic that will make it more narrow or explicit, like photography for example. Now where would you find products of other people to sell? The first place you can have a look at is Clickbank Marketplace. We can go to Google and type in Clickbank Marketplace. Okay, now we are on Clickbank's website and here we can either sign up or log in if you have an account with them. But let's go to the sign up button. When you sign up, you need to click on your country where you live, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then you choose a password. You also have to read the terms and conditions and then you click here on Join Clickbank. I am logged into my account now and now we click here on Marketplace. In the Marketplace area you can either find a product here, but on the left hand side you will see there are a lot of categories. It is arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business investing and many more. I'm going to click here on e-business and e-marketing, and when it opens you will see that there are many topics that you can choose from. So let's choose affiliate marketing for the sake of this video. Now this page opened and the first thing you have to do now is you go to sort results by and you click on this little arrow and then you click on gravity. So you sort your results by gravity. Graph is short for the gravity performance statistics. This number represents a unique calculation by Clickbank that takes into account the number of different affiliates that will earn a commission by promoting this product over the past 12 weeks. Since more recent transactions are given a higher value, this number can give you an idea of what products are hot at the moment, and in terms of being promoted by many affiliates as making a good number of sales. However, high gravity can also indicate that there will be a lot of competition in promoting this product. Okay, the next thing that you should look at is in your average conversion. There are many information here. The average conversion is the average commission that an affiliate earns for each conversion to the vendor's offer, which includes the earnings from all sales, initial sales, upsells and rebuilds. The next thing we are going to look at is down here, which is initial conversion. In this case it is $18.41. And this amount is the average commission an affiliate initially earns for each conversion to the vendor's offer, including the commission from any upsells or order bumps that results from the first sale. This number does not include affiliate earnings from any rebill payments of subscription products. This number is only shown if the vendor offers recurring products such as memberships and subscriptions that regularly bill customers over time. The next one is this recurring dollar rebill of $23.65. This number is the average commission an affiliate earns for each rebill payment of the vendor's products. This number is only shown if the vendor offers recurring products such as memberships and subscriptions that regularly bill customers over time. On the left side we have filters where you can set your filters. You can for instance change the gravity to 6 and you can reduce this maximum gravity number to 50. We can change the average conversions. You can change your initial conversion, recurring rebill, and so forth. And down here is the attribute section. You can also set some filters here. If you click on the upsells, it will only show the products on the right hand side with upsells in it. If you have decided to promote this product, you can click here and that will take you to the vendor's website, which looks like this. And now you can go through the website and see if this is the right product for you that you would like to promote. If the answer is yes, you can click here on this promote button, which will take you to this form here. This is the Hoplink Generator. You have to enter your account nickname, and it is optional that you can add a tracking ID. For instance, say 345 for example. Then you click here to generate your Hoplink. And now this window will open. Now what is a Hoplink? This is a referral URL, also called an affiliate link, that links potential customers to your vendor's landing page, and it informs Clickbank which affiliate directed the customer to that product, and Clickbank will know who to pay. So that is how you get paid. I copied my Hoplink and pasted it in a browser to test if it is working. Clicking on it should take you to the vendor's sales page. Just the thing about Hoplinks or affiliate links. If you decided that you are going to advertise on social media, they do not allow what they call raw Hoplinks on their sites. To be able to place your link there, you will have to cloak it. Cloaking a link is easy. Just go to bit.ly.com and paste your raw link in here, then click on shorten. After you have clicked on shorten, on the left side here, you will see that your shortened link will appear. Now this is the link that you can use on social media. So copy it here on the right hand side and then paste it into your browser to test it. It will take you to your vendor's page or website now. Now I have promised that I will show you how you can rank your product in any niche on the first page of Google and YouTube. Go to the description area of this video and you will find a link there for a free course on how to do this. Before you go and grab your course, please like this video, subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be informed of any new videos that I will post. Now go and grab your course. What are you waiting for?